Have you ever wondered who's at the helm of EverBank, the financial institution that's making waves in the industry? EverBank isn't just another bank. It's a financial powerhouse that offers a wide range of products and services, from checking and savings accounts to loans and investments. But who is the visionary guiding this ship? Who is the CEO of EverBank? Building suspense, before we dive into the answer, let's take a quick look at the history of EverBank. The bank was founded in 1991 with a focus on providing innovative financial solutions to its customers. Over the years, EverBank has grown and expanded its offerings, becoming a major player in the banking industry. Introducing the CEO, and now, without further ado, let's meet the CEO who has been instrumental in EverBank's success. CEO's name. Biographical details. CEO's name has been with EverBank since year. Prior to joining EverBank, she held leadership positions at previous companies. With a strong background in industry/field, CEO's name brought a wealth of experience and expertise to the role of CEO. Leadership style and vision. CEO's name is known for her positive quality, e.g., visionary leadership, collaborative approach, customer-centric focus. Under her leadership, EverBank has achieved notable milestones, e.g., expanded into new markets, launched innovative products. Key achievements. One of CEO's name's most significant achievements is specific accomplishment, e.g., leading the bank through a successful acquisition, overseeing a major technological transformation. This accomplishment demonstrates CEO's name's ability to positive quality, e.g., drive growth, adapt to change. Impact on the industry. CEO's name has also had a significant impact on the banking industry as a whole. She is a role, e.g., thought leader, industry advocate, who has been instrumental in positive change, e.g., promoting financial literacy, advocating for regulatory reforms. Personal insights. While CEO's name is undoubtedly a successful business leader, it's also important to note personal anecdote or interesting fact. This insight provides a glimpse into her personality and values. Future outlook. As we look ahead, it's clear that EverBank is poised for continued growth and success under the leadership of CEO's name. With her vision and dedication, the bank is well positioned to future goals, e.g., expand its customer base, develop new products. So, who is the CEO of EverBank? It's CEO's name, a visionary leader who has guided the bank to new heights. With her passion for innovation and commitment to customer service, EverBank is well positioned to continue its success for years to come. If you're interested in learning more about EverBank and its CEO, be sure to subscribe to the channel, visit the website, follow on social media. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.